Get organized with Allen & Roth's Wood Closet Kit, a versatile, smart, configurable storage solution. Configure the aesthetics to suit your style. We've included a classic arch top and a contemporary straight top with a raised panel drawer. Customize the look even further with a separately available shaker-style drawer panel. The kit includes a solid closet tower with a raised panel drawer, 2 upper shelves, plus 1 fixed and 1 adjustable shelf, 3 expandable closet pulls, and a 9-slot shoe divider, providing a complete storage solution. The lush satin nickel finish hardware gracefully complements the luxurious Java finish, and durable hand-selected premium wood veneers with a multi-step furniture-grade finish are both strong and elegant. With easy installation and a variety of available configurations, install the kit anywhere you need organization: your closet, the pantry, your office, the bathroom, the laundry room, or use the captivating towers as standalone furniture. Organize your space efficiently and aesthetically with Allen & Roth's Java Wood Closet Kit, an exceptional way to get organized.